Hello. The Fox Hunt greeting card. Okay, the inside of the card, two spaces where you could put any image you prefer, any image you want, I should say, any font, any text that you want. You could use this as a border if you like as well, already the pre-designed border here on the bottom. On the top there's a slip-in photo window, but you could go over that as well, or you could put a photo inside there. But again, you could go over either both sides of these with your font, your image, whatever you like. Front of the card, beautiful creatures getting ready for the fox hunt. Once again, 5x7 card. The fox hunt greeting card. Thank you very much.